If you like the video, please click on the like button. Write a comment and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon for more videos.
Grooming involves caring for oneself. It plays a vital role in enforcing self-esteem as well as self-confidence. This is influenced by our overall appearance. Everyone desires to look neat, and it becomes even more essential when you're working and you have interact with people daily. Beside appearances, it's equally necessary to be groomed in the way we walk, move around, sit, and present ourselves. Your level of grooming helps you look stylish and often will create an impression for yourself. Thank you for tuning into my channel, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, as it will mean a lot to me and motivate me to get more content for you. Having said that, let's get back to the video. Making most of us about grooming, but we do not maintain a regular habit in daily use. For example, healthy and glowing skin. You feel confident with the naturally glowing skin. To maintain it, you should drink plenty of water and embrace healthy diets, including fruits and vegetables. Adequate rest and exercise would also go a long way to keep your skin revitalized. Moisturize your legs and hand. The best remedy for dry hands is to use lotion or petroleum-based moisturizer. Second mainly thing is smell nice. A good cologne is a must anytime, regardless of the place. Depending of individual preferences, use of perfume or deodorant, as it leaves you smelling fresh. Avoid wearing a strong perfume at your workplace. The third thing is dress wisely. Your dress says a lot about you. Always wear outfit that makes you comfortable. Wear a right attire for the right occasion. Use of accessories is often chosen to complete an outfit and complement the wearer's look. Invest in a good steam iron. Nothing is worse than to wear a wrinkled clothes. You can create a signature accessory like a watch, a earring, or to make yourself look well groomed. Necklaces or hoops or stacked up chain in your neck would complement your looks. Belts extremely helpful for you. Fourth, apply makeup reasonably. Makeup enhances your appearance. Use of foundation and mascara is recommended. You can also apply ultra fine shades of lipstick, lip gloss, or lip balm because your skin on your lips are thin. It's prone to dryness. It's a great way to ensure that you maintain a youthful, supple look. Wash your face twice daily, even if you don't have makeup. Fifth most important thing is keep your nails short and clean. Most people tend to overlook nail hygiene. Take care of your hands and feet. Give your nails a manicure once in a while. Similarly, clean your toenails and provide them with pedicure to keep them clean and healthy. Sixth, keep a check of your unwanted hair. Regardless of the body parts, unwanted hair is often disgustful. Eyebrows should be trimmed whenever necessary. Hair around the lips is considered unwanted. You need to get rid of them. Who doesn't love that long-lasting smoothness of your hands and legs? Be careful when using bleaches, as they can be harsh on your skin. You can pamper your hands and legs, waxing them occasionally and moisturizing them regularly. Seventh, well-groomed hair. A hairstyle can enhance or spoil your appearance. If you have long hair, make sure to keep it neat always. Use a quality shampoo to wash your hair at least twice a week. Try using hair serums post blow drying your hair. Eighth, wear comfortable shoes. The type of shoe wear leaves an impression on you. Make sure the footwear you wear makes you feel comfortable. Ensure that you clean and polish a leather footwear to maintain a better impression. You can also switch your flats with block heels. I hope you found the video informative. Don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel for more such videos.